Alright, I'm just gonna put this at the beginning of the video just in case. If I just uploaded this video, if you look at the date down below, I did not find a fix for it. So you can watch the video, and I'm also gonna link a video down below of a different video that has like a similar click, but his was a loose bolt. That's what was making it click. I don't think mine is a loose bolt. I think something internally is just wrong with the car. Yeah, I'm gonna pop my stock intake back on and just take it to the dealer. But if you want to watch the video, go ahead. Basically, you can kind of see what the fuck is wrong with this car. Sounds really bad. Started happening about a week or two ago. It was really small at first. Now it's like a really big fucking clack. It sounds like metal clacking inside, but I don't know. Just letting you guys know. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. Oh, and if I didn't just upload it and you're watching this a couple months later, I'm probably gonna put the video of me finding what the fuck they tell me down below. So check the description. If it's there, it's there. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? If you clicked on this video, you probably have something wrong with your Subaru and you're trying to figure out what the fuck it is. There's a big ass clacking noise inside of my car. I'm gonna show you like kind of what it sounds like. It sounds exactly the same when you just step on the gas and then when you're full throttle. I'm not losing that much boost, so I don't think it's a bad turbo. I think there's something loose down there or some shit, but I'm about to lift the car, find out. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just got 2 jack stands. Whew. But 1 jack, 2 jack stands, always be safe. Tools, and then I got a low profile jack as well. About to lift it up by just the front, both fronts, and I'm gonna figure out what the fuck's wrong. I'll show you guys a clip right now of what it sounds like, just so you guys can kind of have an idea. Deeper in there, like it didn't sound like a turbo, it sounded like this. Fuck, I think I'm fucked on this one. I think I'm gonna put my stock intake back on and take this shit to the dealership. This ain't it, chief. This ain't it. So, if you guys saw the clips before this, a couple things I noticed right here. Number 1 is oil, and it leaks right there and all around. I don't know if they just put the shit on wrong. I check my oil once a month, I would say. Twice a month, every 2 weeks, somewhere around there. So I'm good on oil. I checked it right before this as well. A little bit jumped over here. Yeah. If anyone knows, has a hint on what's wrong, comment down below. This is gonna be trying to figure out what it is, but yeah, I looked all down there and I don't see shit. I was trying to look for like a missing bolt, but I don't think that noise is a missing bolt. It can't be. That's something internal. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace this tomorrow. Take it to the dealership and I'll update you guys. It's been like a week or two maybe. And yeah.
Brother was caught in the crossfire.